Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to start building in the Beaver Cup build challenge in Heartopia. So right now, Heartopia is running the Beaver Cup event where you can build amazing structures together with your friends. And this week we have officially entered the building phase or creation phase like this. So to get started, you can go to the limited terminal this one, and then just tap on this icon and then just tap on enter like this, and after that you will be teleported to your team's island just like this. You can see it, and then in here just simply tap on this icon, this build icon, and then next now you can start building together with your teammates on here. And if your teammates are online, you will see their avatars on top right corner of the screen at this area. And here's the best part, you can also use the furniture or building permits that are owned by your teammates, and in here just everything will be shared and accumulate for your team in here, so it will making it easier to build bigger and better together. And okay, that's it. Now you are ready to start building in the Beaver Cup. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.